Major flash flood situation up here, Red Rock National Park, guys. Flash flood situation. So much for washing the car. I have to wash it again now. Super windy today too. It's really pretty out, it's really clear up here, but it's just super windy. I'm on my way up to pick up a few Uber passengers right now. All right, I think that's gonna do it. This is just a real quick short clip. I'll try to get some more videos up soon, guys. Been real busy. Been playing the poker challenges in the poker room. I'm very close to qualifying for that $300,000 poker tournament coming up in April, so that's good. We are gonna make it, and that's about it right now, though. So I'll put another video out soon. Click subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. This is the Amateur signing.